Welcome to Daily Quiz Time YouTube channel.
In this video we are going to guess 50 quiz questions Abu Space Riddle.
10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go.
I'm the closest planet to the sun and have no heat. Which planet am I? Yes, it's Mercury. I'm covered in thick clouds, hotter than Mercury. Who am I? Surely it's Venus. I'm the only planet known to support life. Who am I? Obviously Earth. I'm red and dusty, with 2 small moons. Who am I? Of course, Mars. I'm the biggest planet with a big red spot. Who am I? Jupiter surely. I have beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Who am I? Saturn, obviously. I spin on my side and have a bluish color. Who am I? Yes, Uranus. I'm farthest from the sun and have strong winds. Who am I? Surely Neptune. I'm no longer considered a planet but you. Of course, Pluto. I share my orbit with thousands of icy objects in the Kuiper Belt. Who am I? Pluto, obviously. I'm the hottest planet. Who am I? Yes, Venus. I have the shortest day. Who am I? Of course, Jupiter. I'm called Earth's twin. Who am I? Surely Venus. I'm the only planet whose English name doesn't come from Greek or Roman mythology. Obviously Earth.
I have dust storms. I'm often called the red planet. Who am I?
Mars, yes of course. I was visited by the Voyager 2 spacecraft. Who am I? Uranus, I'm the 3rd planet from the sun. Who am I? Yes, Earth. I'm famous for my great dark spot storm. Who am I? Neptune, of course. I'm a gas giant with no solid surface. Who am I? Obviously Jupiter. I'm the planet where a day lasts longer than a year. Who am I? Venus, surely. I'm the planet that orbits the sun the fastest. Who am I? Yes, Mercury. I have a moon named Titan, which is larger than Mercury. Who am I? Saturn, of course. The atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Who am I? Surely Venus. I'm so light I could float in water. Who am I?
It's Saturn.
Take 248 Earth years to orbit the sun once. Who am I?
The answer is Pluto. I'm often the brightest object in the night sky after the moon. Who am I? Yes, it's Venus. My name comes from the Roman god of war. Who am I? Of course Mars. I'm known as the evening star and the morning star. Who am I? Yes, it's Venus. I'm the smallest planet in the solar system. Who am I? Surely Mercury. I'm tilted so much I almost roll through space. Who am I? Of course Uranus. I have more moons than any other planet. Who am I? Absolutely Saturn. I take about 365 days to orbit the Sun. Who am I? Yes, it's Earth. I have the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Who am I? Of course Mars. Rich in methane and very icy. I'm often confused with Neptune. Who am I? Surely Uranus. My largest moon is Ganymede, bigger than Mercury. Who am I? Absolutely Jupiter. I was discovered in 1846 with the help of math. Who am I? Jupiter. Yes, it's Neptune. I'm part of the Kuiper Belt, a dwarf world beyond Neptune. Who am I? Surely Pluto. I have rings, but they are very faint and hard to see. Who am I? Of course Jupiter. I'm known for having very few impact craters, meaning my surface is young. Who am I? Absolutely Venus. I'm the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Who am I? Yes, it's Jupiter. I'm home to the longest canyon in the solar system, Valles Marineris. Who am I? Surely Mars. The most circular orbit of any planet. Who am I? Of course Venus. I'm the coldest planet in the solar system. Who am I? Absolutely Uranus. I'm the only planet with tectonic plates. Who am I? Yes, it's Earth. I experience retrograde rotation, spinning the opposite way. Who am I? Surely Venus. I'm farthest from the Sun but still considered part of the 8 major planets. Who am I? Of course Neptune. I'm home to massive auroras and magnetic fields. Who am I? Absolutely Jupiter. Clear my orbit. That's why I'm no longer a planet. Who am I? Yes, it's Pluto. I have the shortest year among all planets. Who am I? Surely Mercury. I thick clouds that reflect most sunlight. I appear very bright. Who am I? Of course Venus.
I hope you got many points. Subscribe now and get more points.